Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to export data Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to export data Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. Just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there are several icons. And tap this profile icon. Here a menu like this will appear. Next, point the cursor to your account. On the left of the account, two icon options will appear. Tap the View Your Profile icon. Now your profile menu will appear. On the right side of the profile, there are three dots, and tap. Then tap Export Data. Now here will be the download process from your data export. After completion, it will appear on the top right in the download section. This is the result of exporting data in Microsoft Teams. So that's it, tutorial how to export data to Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.